High volume.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way?
Let me come and see this. Let me see how you do it.
Let's put it close now.
I've sent everything to you. Terry, don't be collecting them.
This is jollof rice and this is coleslaw with the ketchup sauce.
All that for you?
All that for me.
Good luck.
Thank you. Jide,
All right, let's go. I've started recording.
Hi, we should.
So we're starting with the spicy chicken.
Are you going to use your hand for the spicy?
Yeah, they would have given us this thing
let's
now.
ask them now.
Let's cut. Cut,
Sorry,
please,
sorry.
Bombi. Let me pause. Cut it there. Bombi, you put timer for us. As you are
With your
recording,
phone.
you tell us.
You put timer with your phone.
Not with. That is small.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Too much.
1 minute.
1 minute. It don't look like you want to plenty. But it's good.
Stop now. Have you started recording on my phone? Yes. Wait, my phone is recording.
Today, why are you wasting time?
No, I'm asking. My phone is recording.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Jide.
It's not. Don't worry. It's okay.
I will just follow the vibe.
And follow the vibe for this one.
Please, as stable as possible, so it will be like, but very short.
Have you started the timer?
Have you started the timer?
So, competitions,
Yes.
you can now indulge.
In our food competition in 1 minute. Very want to finish me.
When they look in plate, look your plate. like this shit before. I get angry for hair. Bro, I suspend myself for hair.
Can you take a car, Kuma?
Are you giving up already? Are you sure? But why? How did you know I'm talking about you? Because you talk like the or what?
The race is not for the swift, you know.
I got you. I see how it goes.
I know a hungry man is an angry man. Can you close up? Okay.
See, Bao. Jesus who was small. Oh, she goat.
Don't come on.
You want me to chew?
Yeah, I think you potato. I'm thinking.
Bro, I just suspend myself for hair.
And since you won, since you won. It's not even spicy, it's just juicy. I'm a husband, she was definitely smiling.
Alright guys, I won this round. Mom, be careful with the camera.
See,
Tell me what do you have to say? I won this round.
see, it was cheating because Jide's
I did not cheat
wings were
her.
not much. Jide's
her
wings
plate.
were just 2.
Look at
Mine
that.
was
I ate
7.
my lip. Eat your lip. Eat your lip.
It's a leaf.
So what are we going to next?
Fish.
Cinnamon. Cinnamon.
No water.
Wait. Yeah,
You know
joking.
if I tell you I'm almost full. I swear I'm already full. But I'll do this for you guys. I'll do this for you guys. This cheating. Everything I see here is not real.
I
Jide is
finished
not
my
real.
own before her.
See, they're putting, I don't know. Maybe they thought this was Jide's own because it's actually
Bobby.
more than my own.
This is a stable video. Bombi. No, when you're done. Bombi, please help me with this. I'm done with this. We need to move to the next one because of space and time. Just Bombi, straight, close up. Mine reports, then hers reports. 10 seconds. Close up, don't move it. I just need to show my plate. Cut, please.
Yeah, my
Terry, yeah, her turn now. Alright, Henry, round 2.
This one for sure, I'm winning Jide.
Are you sure you're going to win?
I'm winning you for this one.
Alright, no
I
problem.
just allowed you to have the first start.
No problem.
Trace mode.
Alright. Yeah, I'm ready. Bombi, please don't forget the terrorist phone. This portrait view. The
This one.
straight Instagram.
This one is real spicy.
This way you better have water or something by your side.
No, they know they drink water.
Oh, if not, you'll be full. Damn. Alright. Let's do what we can do. You understand?
No
Let's not
problem.
allow anything hold us back. Alright.
Let's do round 2.
Guys, we're
together.
starting round 2. So let's see round 2. Hey, first person
Round
to tap out.
2.
Round 2 is starting.
Yes.
Yes. All right. Terry is standing.
1,
2,
2,
go. Hey, this fish is succulent. That not on spicy meat. Imagine if your mic was off.
So,
It's on. Wait, turn wait. It's on.
How far this kids?
I've never even seen one catfish before in my life.
I have. Then what are you doing?
You see, I'm cheating.
Yeah, that's our energy. Look at it. Yeah, Jollof. Oh, fine and beautiful. And now that you go, you know that you so. Oh, my melody is for your window. Yeah.
Jide is now. One step at a time.
Mama. Hey, like I'm getting you killed. I'm being careful because of the bones. Oh my god. Most of this part I'll just put on fast mode. Damn. Damn, I can't finish this fish.
No, Jide. Doesn't mean you want to step out.
It's true. I forgot. You are dancing. You are dancing. Your mates are eating. You are dancing.
If you look closely, you see I'm already done. If you are not seen I'm done, I'm sure I have a problem with your phone.
Just the problem.
It's easy. Try to breathe.
Hey.
I tap now. No, you can't know.
I have to say loud.
She has her mic on. What are you here for? Amen. Mm. Hey. Yum yum yum. Yeah, you tap out now. It's I've gone farther than you.
That's not true. We're in the same place.
I'm halfway done. You know, you're packing fish again.
No.
Come on, Terry. Terry, I tap out.
Tap out. Say it again.
Ayaba.
Say tap out.
Ayaba. Damn. Omo. Thank you so much, guys. At this point, I tap out. I can't overfeed. Damn. It's sweet. The food is amazing. Damn. God bless Africa.
I told you guys that the race is not for the sweet. It's not about who rush.
It's no matter of who rush.
It's not about who rush.
You're hiding something I don't know.
That's why.
She's hiding something I don't know. Alright, guys, God bless you.
I used to go to Jide. It was a battle, honestly, because it's not easy battling with a guy, a man for that matter. Jide was hungry since from morning. I ate in the morning, so that's an excuse why I didn't win the first round. But the second round I won because I can't allow Jide win me twice. So yeah, that's what I have to say.
Alright, no problem. So Terry was not able to finish hers.
You guys, at the end of the day, I won for this peppered meat catfish because Jide tapped out.
But I ate more than her.
It does not mean you tapped out. We're supposed to finish it, but you say you tap out. I know you don't. Anyways, I'm the winner. It's draw because Jide won for the peppered spicy wings and I won for the catfish. So it's draw.
I still won though.
It's draw.